Apple A19 Pro chip is vapor cooled because when you run, you can push your limits and juggle complex tasks at the same time. Imagine that.
Hello, excuse me, please. Your excuse po. Hello, Maximus. Dude, hello. May ginamit. Right, what?
The Apple
Ano yung
A19 Pro
victory?
chip is vapor cooled because when you run, you can push your limits and juggle complex tasks at the same time. Imagine that powerful.
Zane Tot. Wala po kayo tulog, Zane Tot.
The Apple A19 Pro chip is vapor cooled because when you run, you can push your
Lesbian, are you
limits and
lesbian
juggle
sila?
complex tasks
No,
at
I'm
the
not.
same time.
Wala pa.
Imagine that.
Matulog karon tibok adlaw. Mata kagabi. Wag ikaw di matulog pero may good night. Uy, natug na sa ko ato. Nakasimbaga ni. Baby, sadyang ika nang inig-notes na kung a good night kay ka na. Dili lang jud ko matug og largo. Dili mo makatug og largo mo nang mag-una akong good night. You never kiss a girl who made love for a girl. No. Never. Never, never. Unsa ko oras na good night gani? Alas 12. Yan natulog ko kay alauna na. Diba? Ilang taon na ikaw? 22 po. I don't know lang. Hello, Begot. Bigotag. Andy, hello. Huwag ay magbuto. I am. Pero babayin ako kay kadawa ko. Bye-bye. Enjoy pod. Hello, Kuya Kiko.